Hey guys, not too sure if it's a common issue on the Volkswagen Jetta, but have you ever had that encounter when you actually came to open up the gas tank through the door, but it won't open the outside? I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean. So you come to actually open up the gas tank, but it's not opening. So what's actually causing it to open is this switch right here. Is worked by an actuator that's right here, and sometimes, not really, I never heard it actually going bad, but this goes bad, so you gotta actually change the actuator out. And also there's another fix that I see some other people do. I'm gonna show you what I did, and in case you can get your gas tank to open. So what I did, I attached a string to the actuator where I just put it. Let me show you, give a quick one. The string, and when you pull it, it opens it. So that's one way to fix it, or you can do the other way of actually just replacing the actuator. Yeah, this is the actuator I'm going to replace. This is one I got from the junkyard, so you guys can give it a look. Also, here's the part number, so in case you guys want to order it yourself, I got it from my local junkyard. So the first thing you want to do, you want to actually come here and remove your bed liner from the car. After you remove the bed liner, you're going to want to remove, I think I took it out already, but there's supposed to be some screws right here. But so you can see it, so I'm gonna zoom out a bit. Some screws right here, and right here. You want to try to remove this screw, and also you're trying to remove this screw, if you can see it, and this screw, and just remove this whole back part off, because it's gonna make it easier for you to remove this cover of the carpet. So as we need to get to this part right here. So what you're gonna need is actually a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to remove the bolts right here. So you're just gonna remove this shit and place it on the side. Then you're gonna want to remove these clips. Take care you don't break them, but just wanna like apply some pressure and just rip it off. And just put this on the side. Switch right here, if you can see it. Now that you got it off, you don't even need to disconnect this. That's why I maybe move the bottom pad. But what you're gonna need to do is remove two Phillips screws. Not actually remove it, but loosen it so you can just lift this up and slide it through. Can't really show you guys right now, but there's two screws. I'm gonna loosen them. Camera's kind of pretty rough. Loosen up the screws so you can just lift it up and just pull it away from this, and it comes out like this. So this is how you actually put the modification I did. You just tie a string and pull it through in case you guys want to do it, but I'm gonna actually replace this because I'm tired of opening the trunk when I'm getting to put gas. So right now you're just trying to disconnect this. Yeah, you're trying to disconnect it, so you're gonna just hook it up and remove it. So this is the old part. As I said, the model numbers, everything's on it. I'm gonna replace it with my new one. This is the new one, as I mentioned before, and I'm gonna simply just insert it back where I got it from and connect it back. So I got my new one connected back, and I'm just gonna just input it back into the slot and tighten it back in. And if you can see it at the back and insert it into the hole, now it's gonna tighten it back up and try and see if it works. So out to the old and into the new. So here's pretty much do the opposite way I did and put everything back the opposite in reverse, and you should be good. Okay, so I'm gonna try it out, and it's done. And that's how you change your gas to activate it.